Hey squad, I'm coming to you today with a small video. I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to on yesterday. So I have a small DIY project. I'm working on some content for my podcast with me and my mom for our nonprofit. Check in, check out. What I did last week, I printed out slogan on pieces of paper and measured it to the glass and the mugs that we had. I printed them out on Waterslip paper and sprayed it with crystal clear spray. And as you can see, I cut out the outer edges so that it gets closer to the text. So after I cut out the outer edges, I went ahead and dropped them in some water. This is a fail moment for me here because I dumped all of them in together. Do it one by one. Then I just sprinkled some water over the surface of the glass, and I didn't film the part where I actually laid the paper to the glasses and the mug. You just basically apply light pressure to like the middle or like the one side, and then slide the white paper from behind so it gives a transparent finish. So taking a look at these, did I pass or fail? This was a trial run for us, and I hope I did good. Let me know if you guys will support check in, check out, and I'll see you in the next video.